Here's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin elegant and sporty, and the performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, power tilting steering column, sport suspension, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,